my channel, Nails by Jazz. My name is Jasmine, but you can always call me Jazz. And if you're new to this channel, I welcome you. I do talk and interact with my followers, so if you have any questions, concerns, or anything, feel free to message me or put something below in the comments, and I will definitely get back to you. So in this video, I'm kind of doing a watch me work I did on myself. Guys, I love this set like so much. Like, I love this set so much. It's not even funny how much I love it. Actually, everything I'm using in this video is from this company, NailHeavenSupplyStore. I think I'm saying it right, but I'll definitely put the link at the bottom, and then links for everything I'm using in this video in the description. So if you guys enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into this video. actually all the acrylics I'm using in this video is glitter acrylics from the NailHeavenSupplyStore on Instagram. Like I said, that's my son, y'all. Like I said, I would definitely leave the link in my description. The brush I'm using is a size 10. I actually get that brush from Amazon. Yeah, I get that brush from Amazon. I get all my brushes from Amazon because, you know, it's Amazon. But yes, so these glitter acrylics, y'all, they're perfect. Like the consistency and everything when it comes to it is great. It goes on smooth. It doesn't, you know, some acrylics are too bulky, or some acrylics are too like watery. Like I can't explain it, but like y'all know what I mean when y'all put them on and it just drips down. These are perfect. Like they stay on, they hold. I love it. And I'm using Mia Secret monomer with these ones. So that's the monomer I always use, by the way. And I'll put that, everything I'm using in this video, like I said, I put that in the description. So yes, this is actually the longest set I ever did on myself, if I recall. I think so, yeah. So I love the length of these. I decided to go with a square because, you know, a taper square, because squares are kind of in nowadays, but they actually look really good on my hand. I didn't record my non-dominant hand just because it would have took me too long, because clearly my kids would never let me record both hands ever. But one day I would definitely give y'all that video. But yeah. So here I'm actually taking my Mia Secret Clear and I'm just capping all of the nails, just because I do that with all of my sets. Even if I don't cap the whole nail, I'll cap kind of near the cuticle area, just so when I file it won't take all the acrylic color or the glitter acrylic color away. So I always cap my nails with the Mia Secret Clear. So the files I'm using in this video is the 80/80 grit file. I used to use the 100/100 grit files, but I feel like those wasn't as coarse as I wanted to be when it comes to my shaping. So I bought these 80/80 grit files actually off of Amazon, and they're actually disinfectable and reusable, so you don't have to throw them away after each client. You just put them to the side and then clean them at the end of your day or after each client. I have a lot of them, so I just clean all of them in bulk at the end of the day. And these are great. I definitely recommend these files. They're easier when it comes to shaping, and it takes more time when it comes to shaping. The file I'm using, the nail drill I'm actually using right now is from Amazon. Mind y'all, all my tools, most of my stuff I got from Amazon. Cheap. You don't have to spend all this money on nail files and drills and stuff like that. You could just get them cheap off Amazon. I think this drill I got off Amazon for about $60, and that's not bad because I had this for like a year and some change now. So it's really good, it's really usable, and I love it. So I definitely recommend this one too. Let me tell y'all about these nail foils. So I was struggling. I guess I thought I knew what I was doing, but I should have read the directions before I thought I knew what I was doing. See, don't assume y'all know what y'all doing, because that's exactly what I did, and I didn't know what I was doing. I bought the nail foils from the Heaven Supply Store, and I bought the foil glue from Amazon. Mind you, the foil glue is, I guess, a UV glue. So you're supposed to put it in the light. But me, I was over here, I was over here thinking it was going to dry And I was sitting there waiting for 20 minutes for the joint to dry. It was not drying. So I had to put it on a light and then it dried. But anyway, mistakes happen and I figured it out. But these are great. I love these butterfly foils. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.